Hello everyone, and meet the Sorbus 12-drawer dresser, perfect for organizing any kid's room or nursery. This stylish storage unit features a strong steel frame and a durable wood top for stable support. You can easily store clothes, toys, and blankets inside the 12 breathable and waterproof fabric bins. Each 8-inch deep drawer includes a reinforced base and pulls out smoothly for your belongings. The sleek aqua design looks great in bedrooms, playrooms, closets, or even a busy home office. Assembly is incredibly fast with no tools required, so you can set it up in just minutes. Its lightweight build makes it simple to move this versatile furniture piece wherever you need it. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.